Cotton prices have been struggling as of late. Is there better news on the horizon? Active's Michelle Rook discusses it with Alan Brugler in Markets Now.
Joining us with market analysis, Alan Brugler with ANN Economics. And let's talk about this cotton market coming out of the WASDE report. We did see actually an increase in production and ending stocks, did we not?
Yeah, USDA keeps changing the yield numbers as they get more Jennings data. That'll continue for several more months here. The most recent data suggested yields were a little bit higher, so they bumped up the production in this December report. And they ended up having to bump up the ending stocks, 100,000 bales as a result of that. So now we're at 4.4 million bales for projected ending stocks. That's not that far off from 2 years ago, but it is a bigger pile than we had a year ago. So the market's having to deal with, extra supply, if you will. Exports, they didn't do anything with.
And global stocks have actually increased as well, have they not?
Global stocks are running about 2 million bales higher than they were 2 years ago. So you've got some competition out there. Brazilian production is really increased. Australia is a competitor as well. And the big bogeyman, if you will, is actually synthetic fiber.
So what does all of this mean for the longer term price objectives or outlook?
Number one, our cost of production is not in a good place here. I've seen some numbers, $850 to $900 an acre for cotton. That doesn't pencil with low 70s futures prices and then taking basis off of that. So if the board stays where it is, you're probably going to see some reduced cotton acreage next year, trying to right size that supply to the demand. I think chart wise, we're trying to put in a base here between 65 and 70 cents. We've got mostly sideways action. I believe the ADX, the directional index, has dropped off quite a bit, which suggests a sideways instead of more down component.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us. Alan Brugler, ANN Economics, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up.